Please read the disclaimer. I can't believe Elon Musk is finally doing this, XRP holders. Hello, beautiful people. Shalom, money makers. We're going to get into all the latest and the greatest news. We'll get to what Elon is doing in just a second, but I want to start out with this, right? Breaking the Russell 2000 index has broken above 2600 for the first time ever, right? This happened back on Friday. This is the biggest sign yet that liquidity is returning and risk appetite is back. The Russell 2000 tracks small cap US companies. These are the highest risk part of traditional markets. They only lead when money is following back into the system and investors are willing to take risk again. Now connect this with all that's happening on the liquidity side. The Fed is already buying back T-bills. That adds liquidity to the system. Trump has ordered $200 billion in mortgage bonds to be purchased. That injects more liquidity through the housing market. The Treasury is still releasing funds from the TGA. More money is entering finance markets. Trump is talking about tariff dividends, direct cash into households. Trump is talking about tax cut and tax refunds, more disposable income. All of this liquidity and Russell 2000 moving first is normal. Historically, when the Russell 2000 entered an upward strong trend, Ethereum and altcoins followed in the months after because money flows from small caps to high risk, even higher risk, into crypto. Now look at what's happening in crypto. Crypto has been in downtrend for 3 months. The October 10 crash flushed leverage and confidence. Order books are thinner. Most weak hands are already gone. At the same time, the first quarter of 2026 brings the Clarity Act, which will lead to less manipulation, bigger regulations, and more institutional interest. Even Binance CZ is talking about a possible super cycle, not just because of hype, but because liquidity plus structure plus risk appetite are aligning. So when the Russell 2000 breaks 2600 is not a normal thing. It's a sign of what is coming for crypto in 2026. And if we go and we look at all the potential reasons why, right, 2026 might be a strong month, okay? It's refreshing. What happened there? Technical difficulty time. I wanted to move myself a little bit to the right, and that's what happened. 26 reason to be bullish in 2026. Okay. Trump's 200 billion mortgage bonds buying announcement, new Fed chair, Clarity Act approval, more rate cuts, 2000 tariff dividend, big tax cuts, CZ supercycle thesis, big bank buying Bitcoin, CPI going down, midterm election freebies, Russell 2000 index all-time high, Fed T-bills buying, global liquidity all-time high, altcoins ETF approval, Bitcoin gold 12 months bear market, global regulatory approval, gold and silver overheated, SLR easing, long-term holders have stopped distributing, 8 trillion in debt refinancing, Fed balance sheet expanding, dollar devaluation, GDP moving higher, sentiment at all-time low, Bitcoin dominance peak, and some people are saying that this is the most important of them all, is the ISM over 50, right? Because that tells us that the United States is recovering, that potentially it's going into the good times. And that's when usually people get more confident in the markets, okay? So when we're looking out to 2026, there's a lot of things to be confident about. Again, day to day, week to week, it's very hard to know what the price action is going to be, right? And I don't know. Sometimes I can say, hey, there's a crossover on the 1348 EMA. There's high probability that we'll have a movement to the upside. Does that mean that it's going to happen for sure? No. Someone was in the comment section like, I'll give you a like if your predictions are better. You don't have to give a like because I don't know what what's exactly going to happen. And that's what's beautiful at the market. Anybody that tells you that they know exactly that this and that is going to happen, run away because they don't know, right? It's very, very important to remember. And as always, this video is for educational purposes, for entertainment purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence before you decide to invest. Also, remember that I will never contact you on social media asking you to sign up to thing or to send me any money. Those are scammers. Please be very careful out there. Another one of our viewers that he's, one of the VIPs, he comments a lot, mentioned today that he got some airdrop in his wallet and he was about to open it, and then he remembered me saying every video, be careful of the scammers, and he didn't, right? And so again, if one person is saved, then I did my job, right? And even if it annoys people that I keep saying this and saying this, in the end, it will get drilled into your brain, and you'll second guess every single link that you're opening or clicking or sending someone your information or things like that, you have to be super super duper careful out there. If anybody calls you, also you'll say always, oh, I'm going to call you back, right? I'll find your number and I'll call back just to make sure, things like that. So it's today with AI and everything that's happening, they can sound like even your friends or your loved ones, and so you have to be very very careful. Okay, I've seen all kinds of weird things. Now let's move on to Elon Musk. Now, there's a lot of excitement on Twitter X from this announcement. And here it is. Justin, X to launch built-in price tracking for crypto tokens and stocks directly from the timeline, right? So you're going to be able to look here, and then you're going to see graph. And from this post here for Watcher Guru, it seems from this is coming from head of product. It says here, X is the best source for financial news and hundreds of billions of dollars are deployed based on things people read here. We are building smart cash tags that allow you to specify the exact assets or smart contract when posting a ticker. From timeline, users will be able to tap them and see a real-time price along with all the mentions that the assets. We're aiming to collect feedback as we iterate toward a public release next month. Now, if you go right now, there was a time when if you searched, for example, Bitcoin, or you searched XRP, then you would see the price, right? You see a graph. That was a partnership with eToro, right? But it seems that that partnership is over because you don't see that anymore in the timeline. But what has people very interested, right, is the fact that in this picture, do you notice what we see here in the picture, right? It says here, sell and buy, right? And that is not mentioned here, right, in the announcement. People are already saying that, that there will be trading for crypto and for stocks, but you don't see that, right? There's already a community note on this because that was not confirmed. But in the picture, there is buttons for sell and buy. So if we're going to have crypto, and you see there's a Bitcoin here, right? There high probability that there will be the possibility to purchase cryptocurrency on the platform or purchase stocks on the platform. The question is going to be through who? So is this going to be through a broker for the stocks? Who's it going to be? And if it's crypto, again, who is it going to be with? Or is it going to be straight from X? Is X going to be facilitating this this transaction? That's what's going to be interesting. What we know that Elon wants to create X as the everything app, right? So he wants to have also payments on the app. And then the theory behind that was that you'd be able to, for example, transfer crypto using X from one person to the other with profiles, right? So let's say you want to send your friend $100 in Bitcoin, you would be able to do that on X. That's the theory, or dollars, right? So you'd have the decision to make. They have gone into money licenses in many of the US states, but we haven't really seen anything about crypto. So this is the first time that now the product manager here has mentioned a head of product, right? Has mentioned crypto and stocks, and we have the buy and sell buttons here. So this is a big step forward. And again, remember, there's about 700 million users on X, right? All around the world. And there's only about 200 million people currently that own crypto or Bitcoin, if I remember correctly, the number. So this could be a huge change for us going forward. 700 million users, right? So this could be a big change here for the crypto market once that starts happening, that people won't have to go, to multiple apps. They'll be able to do it in one place. Now, I know Robinhood is allowing this as well, but that's only in the US. So we'll see what happens here, regarding X. Will they try to combat these other, Coinbase and Robinhood? Will we have Elon going against, all these big companies? Because they're huge companies, right? Coin and Hood, like their market cap is huge, right? Let's just see, for example, Hood is already at 100 billion, and coin is at 64 billion, right? Remember, then X was considered only to be valued at about 40 billion when he bought it. So we'll see what happens here in the next coming weeks with the crypto market. Again, I don't know exactly what's going to happen, but there's a lot of bullish things that could move the crypto market up. I know that we've seen the pullback over the past few days, but I'm still optimistic for 2026. Again, we'll see what will happen. Anything can happen. It can go up, it can go down, and you have to be ready for all of those scenarios. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment, 8 for infinity and beyond, or even a super thanks if your heart desires. You can also hype up the video. That's something new, or just regular, smash that like button. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.